How to fix Tinder app not working and keeps crashing. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your Tinder application not working and keeps crashing. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. If in case your Wi-Fi is not strong enough, then you should go ahead and switch it to your mobile data. Then head over to your Play Store and search for Tinder. Instead of open, if you see update, tap on update and update your Tinder app. Once you do so, head over to your settings application and scroll below to your apps. From here, search for Tinder. And under usage, tap on to storage. Here, clear the cache on your bottom left. Go back. Once you do all that, restart your device and get logged into your Tinder account. As you do so, this will fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.